This segment we're going to be talking about the Dual Select AccuDose dispensing system and the Taskmiser dispensing system. But before we dive into talking about the systems themselves, let's talk about where dispensing systems actually fit in. Sometimes you're going to have a low volume user whose top priority is the convenience factor of the packaging rather than how it's dispensed. For customers like that, we give them ready-to-use quart bottles. Larger users may want to have some economy, so they'll buy a concentrate, very often in a 1 gallon or maybe even a 5 gallon container. In which case, they're basically mixing the product through a method called free pouring. Free pouring is not a very accurate method and can generate an awful lot of waste. Other accounts that have higher volume needs need to be looking at a wall-mounted dispensing system, which will accurately meter and dispense the chemical that they need to be using. Our two most popular dispensers are the Dual Select AccuDose unit, pictured here on the right, and the Taskmiser dispensing system here on the left. You'll notice with the Dual Select AccuDose system, we have 2 selector knobs. Each selector knob has 4 settings, which means that I can make 4 quart solutions out of this side of the dispenser. This side is set up for what's called high flow, which gives me the ability to fill up a bucket or an automatic scrubber at a much higher flow rate. And I also can set this up for multiple products, as many as 4. Now, keeping in mind that I may not want to set up 8 different products here. I may actually want to set up one product that's dispensed in a variety of different ways. I can do that on here by just creating a Y from the concentrate to either side of the dispenser. Very simple. Keeping the operation of the unit very simple, very intuitive. This unit's a little bit more sophisticated. It takes a slightly larger footprint, but you'll notice both use a very, very small footprint in general. But this one's got that dazzling look, and it also contains this added feature of a bottle-activated dispenser. Just like a soda machine. I put the bottle in, push it up, and it activates the filler and remove it. That feature actually has approximately a $50 increased cost, but for certain accounts that may be very appealing to them. One of the things I wanted to make sure we covered in this is that when this is ordered through Enviro Solutions, everything you need comes to you in that kit. The hoses, the installation parts, there are no additional parts required.